For the repair of the NRG PRO UPS 2000 VA, the following procedures were necessary: replacement of various electronic components and general cleanup of the unit. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply and a lamp to the UPS output. First, we test the line mode. By connecting the UPS to the power supply, we can see that the lamp lights up and the unit responds accordingly. Then we test the battery mode. As soon as we turn off the power supply, we can see that the UPS continues to be working and the lamp stays on. It is now clear that the UPS is working successfully and is ready to be delivered to the customer.